and ring announcer for the opening contest. Please welcome from Red Road FM, the one, the only, Mr. Dave Evans. How you doing, Dave? Best of luck to you, man. Cheers, you're going to need it.
Thanks so much, Andy. Well, at least I got a reaction, that's the thing I want to see. Ladies and gentlemen, this is This is your opening match for the Catch Championship title. Can I please have the music for the challenger? Facing the right way? Okay, so let's go. Now I know you're expecting Mikey Van Riot to come out here and he will be with us. He will be with us in any moment, like shut up. I just want to give you the quickest history lesson, okay? And I will be brief because I know you've not got the attention spans for it. Now then, catch wrestling is the birth of pro wrestling. If you are the catch champion, it basically means you are the most technically sound guy that there is. Yeah, you're funny. I come down and knock the smile off your face in a minute. I've come to tell you that because Sam Goodison thinks he is a good technical wrestler, but he is about to face the greatest technical wrestler that EBW can bring out here. And seeing as it is the very first time he's coming out here as a new champion, I would like you all to join with me and give him a very, very special welcome. Are you ready? Nice start. You are my sunshine. You make me happy when I'm gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. So don't take my sunshine away. Ladies and gentlemen, you're the boys, inbreeders, Yorkshire folk, hill folk. I give you the EBW Catch Champion. I give you Mikey Van Riot. Right, when the champion enters the room, you clap. Yeah? You normally clap and chant. Yeah? Mikey, 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 Mikey. It's a
Handsome Ben Hampton in the house tonight with my co-host.
Awesome J Lawson.
Awesome J Lawson, and welcome to 2012 Wrestling Goodison. The first opening match is for the catchweight title with Sam Goodison and Mikey Van Riot, the Man Mountain.
He is giant.
Right now, and Sam's took the upper end here with a...
we forget the L's at ringside, obviously.
The L's at least, of course, wherever Mikey is the L's.
Exactly, a major factor in this match.
Well, what was with our reaction?
I know, we were discussing that.
We're on the voice of EBW. What was you going to say, Sam? The refs gave it 5 now, 2, 3. Sam's let go. He's got wrestles with the code of conduct, code of honour.
Exactly, he knows when to let go.
Mikey and Earl are here as well. And as you can hear, Mikey's manager, Earl, making his presence felt tonight.
As always, he does always.
He does always. But this is the first match of the night, and it's for the catchweight title.
We do not cheat. We don't need to cheat, mate. We can beat
You know what, Hank Awesome?
What's
I
up?
think that there might be a bit of a game plan going on here.
Maybe.
And we're going to start for the test of strength with Mikey offering Sammy's hand. There we go. Lock hands the first hand. 2 hands locked now. And here we go, test of strength on there.
He's never going to beat Mikey.
He's never going to beat Mikey. He's a
a
mountain, surely not.
monster.
And there we go, the crowd getting behind Sam now.
Oh, Mikey!
Exactly, rally.
There's a flip over, there's a backflip and landed in the peanuts. And Mikey has found the rope, and now the ref is 5.
Yeah.
2, and again he releases on 2.
Referee, do
ref
your
wanted
job,
him
please,
now.
mate, yeah?
Seems to be listening to
Well,
the
you
air
have one
tonight.
me for,
Exactly.
so you want me to get in there as well, is that it?
Check the fingers.
Hey?
And Mikey now having his fingers checked by the ref.
Get him back.
Come on, mate, try with me, yeah? Oh, referee!
Starting
Referee!
Sam now.
Absolutely, Sam. He's just winding Sam up there. He's really, really riling
It's
him.
going to be a major factor.
It's going to be a major factor in this match. The earliest and major factor in all of his clients' matches. Now they lock up with Sam forcing Mikey to the corner. That's going to give him 5 count. And he lets go on 3 again. Very good sportsmanship from Sam
He
Goodison.
does. Real student of the game.
He is absolutely student of the game. So we're going to go for another test of strength. Takes Sam into a hammerlock now.
Claiming it was technical.
Absolutely. Oh, and Sam straight back into the head.
Wow, the textbook. I've ever seen it. Proper. Amazing.
And now, the referee's asking Mikey. And Sam's legs are fully outstretched. There you see all of his height to Mikey in that big. And no, he's going for the shot. It's a pattern move. And Mikey managed to escape, and he's right in front of us now. While he has an emotional embrace with his manager and having a chat.
Come on. Back in. Get him back.
In the corner, eh?
Earl and
How are you
Mikey
going to get in
asking
the
Sam
ring?
to get back, asking the ref to do his job.
In the
And he's on the chase. And Sam chasing Mikey around the ring now. He moves so gunshot for a big man. He's going way past our table.
Well up in our
Sam's
grill.
way past us as well now as well.
Well up in our grill.
He misses the elbow. Clever by Sam Goodison. And now Sam. What's he going to do here?
Say, Mikey.
Easily jumps up.
He's on the apron now, and Mikey hits him with a low blow, which is just Mikey Van Riot's tactics. And although I don't blame him,
Seems to be working.
the crowd are really riled up here for this match. They all want Sam, they're all behind Sam.
Exactly. Good looking lad. Ladies will be behind
As you can hear the Earl trying to start a Let's Go Mikey chant. That's not going to happen, is it?
no. Unless I went on commentary.
That was a shotgun chop there by Mikey, and we'll get another one now. I don't know if you can hear that.
That hurt me.
That hurt you just watching it.
Exactly.
Snap there, takedown now by Mikey, and a kick to the back, stiff
Kick.
kick.
Boom.
You know, that's why I love us. It's such a line saying the same
Exactly.
thing. It's a shame the crowd don't feel the same way also.
Not many people do though, do they? Well, it don't matter.
Yeah, Sam. Mikey's doing a bit, he's beating him down now.
Maybe going for a suplex.
Oh, before you let released. Have you ever seen a release suplex like that before?
No, I have not.
Cover, count, Sam's got the rope, the ref stops. I think Mikey realised then. His hands almost went up in the air. And now.
Oh, Stiff forearm there by Mikey.
Mikey Van Riot, the demolition man.
Living up to that name.
Again.
Referee should be counting here. Should be counting for that 5.
And Mikey now. The referee's not looking, he seems distracted tonight, the ref.
He does,
Especially by
but
the
Earl knows how to work.
the ref. Oh! I don't know if you could hear that watching it, but it was a slap. That bust his lip nearly. And the Earl is desperately trying
to get a Mikey chant.
Absolutely.
Yeah, well, Mikey maybe looking for some Goodison fighting back here, in fact. Still fighting back.
And now.
That works, still flying.
And now Sam is back, grounded. Choking now, the ref's going to give him a 5 count. And now the Earl, again, distracting the ref. And surely. And now Mikey, we're going to have a word. And he's chest infection now as Earl works on Sam. With the nightstick, it's the cage.
Joking it.
And Mikey still has the ref distracted. And the crowd really not liking her at the moment.
Yeah,
really
skulking off.
He does, he's very shifty. And the crowd really hating on him like we said earlier. And Mikey.
And more shots.
Insane shot. And a headbutt by the demolition man. And Sam.
Rather Sam than me, I tell you that.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you there, Awesome.
Who are you now, technical Sam? Who's Sam Goodison now,
And the Earl, yet again, shouting his mouth out.
Sticking his boot in verbally.
I mean, you've got to understand this isn't just shouting towards the crowd, the ref gets distracted as well by the shouting.
Exactly.
And it allows...
It's working. Whatever they've got going down, it's working. It's nice.
Quite an old school pace to the match as well. Mikey likes to dictate the pace.
He does.
He likes to dictate the pace in every match that he has. And he'll choke. And Mikey now. And Mikey distracts the ref again. Earl choking Sam with his cane. It's not happening.
I think it might be different if Earl went at ringside.
Oh, I totally agree. It'd be a totally different match. I almost want to go and help Sam. But then again, would he help me?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Nah, I'd help you though.
I know you would. Yeah. No, I'd help you too.
It's a good time.
But as we get to this, Sam is being picked apart here.
He is. He's being demolished. But on a fight back.
On a fight back. As I was saying, that Sam, some stiff punches here and he cuts him off again. And now, Mikey Van Riot whips Sam into the turnbuckle. Sam now steps leapfrog over. And the double collision. And Mikey's gone down, clutching his head now. Sam has gone down. There's a double count. As the Earl comes across to check on his main man, the champ.
Come and check on him! Come and check on him!
Demanding the referee checks him now.
Or is that just a ruse? So the Earl
He's been doing it all the time, and the ref checking Mikey in now. It looks like he may have injured his eye from where we're sat. But over on the other side, you can see Sam getting his leg worked over by the Earl now. The referee's signalled the cut is fine, the match can continue. Mikey's making his way back to his feet. Sam has been worked over. They pulled his knee pad down, you see they've worked on his knee there as well.
stiff forearm. Exchanging
forearms now. A big one by Sam. Mikey bounced off the ropes. Hits Sam with a big one again.
Shot. Another one.
Another. He winced his hand then. He shook his hand off like it hurt him. His hand now.
That was a chin.
Suplex of his own, maybe.
That was massive.
And Sam firing himself up now.
That's it.
The crowd are getting behind him.
That's it.
Now, you can feel the momentum maybe.
Backbreaker
Scoots back up. Backbreaker. Beautiful backbreaker. And we've never seen Mikey manhandle like this before. 1, 2, recover. Only the second cover of the match. So we're just coming up now to the 10-minute mark of this match. Both men. He's removed the elbow pad.
He's climbed it. He's very close to us.
He's close up there. Here's the elbow off the second rope. Cover.
Oh. kicks
You
out.
almost sound like you want Mikey to win then, Olsen.
Well,
We have to be impartial.
Go on, Mikey, go on, Sam.
But not always.
Think nothing.
But Sam Goodison really deserves this.
He does.
His chance at his catch rate. Of course, he won a triple threat last time to become.
and he made
And he's
it.
locking in now.
Can he get that big leg though?
Oh, he picks up again. Shades of Bret Hart and Razor Ramon. He couldn't remember he couldn't lock a leg in.
No, he couldn't.
He couldn't lock it on Mikey there as well. He's tried twice now for his patented sharpshooter manoeuvre, and he has not hit it either time now. And now Mikey's all
Just
Sam's
looking
getting up.
angry.
He looks angry.
He does
Mikey
look
looks
very
angry.
angry.
And we're going to see he's signals for their big finish.
Claiming it's going to be over after this.
He's going to pick him up. Sam falls down, kick to the chest, just to make. And he's going to
slam.
And almost like a modified swinging DDT.
That was beautiful.
And Sam now.
That was beautiful.
Riling the crowd up. He's feeling it.
Mikey, you okay?
He's feeling it.
Mikey, you okay?
He goes for the number one. To the new champion. No! He puts out. And I thought Sam would be crowned the new catchweight champion of EBW though.
Exactly what I was thinking. Mike looks wounded. He looks wounded.
Mikey, get up off your ass now!
Oh, using a bit of an upside down.
He's
He's
not. He's
Sam
signaling for sharpshooter.
Can he lock those big legs round?
Oh, he's got it. Can he turn him? Can he turn him? He's turning him. Locked it in.
And now Mikey's going to top out.
Nearly tap. New champion. Maybe.
He's going to be a new champion. He's locked it in. He's telling you, Mikey's so far away from his roots. What's the opening now? The old gets on the apron now.
The crowd cheering for some tap.
Nails on the apron now. And Sam gives it a stiff and he's got Catford out. He chucks it on him. And now it's Sam's chance, but has he just maybe let go?
Maybe
It makes
he's
Sam
recovered.
now getting aggressive. He just pushed the ref, which is not a known characteristic of his character.
It is
not
not.
a known characteristic at all. He must be getting very, very stressed and upset about the experience. Wait. What's happened here? We might have an. I think we've got an injury on our hands. That looked brutal. And I think Mikey might genuinely be hurt here. The ref's calling for this. He's got the X's on. And the ring announcer, Andy Kane's out now. And the other referee, Dave Stewart, is out. And Mikey looks genuinely hurt here. I hope he's alright.
I don't even know what to
I
say.
don't know what's going to happen here. Mikey looks genuinely hurt. He looked like he took a forearm, or a shoulder block, and he landed. And the Earl is calling for Sam. Sam doesn't know what's happening now. I genuinely think it's a genuine injury. He looks hurt. There's cries of pain from that big Mikey Van Riot, and we rarely see this from this guy. Sam claiming it. Don't tell us, buddy. Sam Goodison claiming it was an accident then. What looked like a routine shoulder block, and Mikey landed. The crowd is silent now. I really don't know what's going to happen here.
No, I don't know.
It looks like he's the Earl now as well. The Earl's not his gobby self now. The Earl seems to take a serious turn for the worst. Like I say, a couple of referees down here. Andy Kane, the resident announcer, is here as well. It looks like he's really hurt. Oh wait! Oh! It's a wrist. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Mikey's won it!
He is retained his
Sam Goodison. And the referees, I am shocked. I apologise for the breaking there.
Exactly.
It appears like Sam.
Turning on.
And the Earl really got his face. What an absolute screw job tonight. Now, I'm a fan of Mikey Van Riot at the best of times. But when you get a legitimate match fought out, both competitively really well. We don't know, buddy. We're as shocked as you are, man. We're as shocked as you are. Sam clearly upset in the ring as well. The crowd unhappy. And you know what? I think Sam just got screwed on the street.
I think he did.
A pop for him, but he's not happy. Sam's not happy. Crowd are popping. And he's not happy. He throws at the Earl. He's really not happy.